Enjoy part 3 of our Ratchet Thanksgiving. Previously on our Ratchet Thanksgiving.
Well, it's a definite. They're coming.
My name is Tommy, and I am a professional gamer.
My name is Sarah Beth, and I am the second youngest child.
I am here at my brother's house.
Welcome to my house. Oh
okay.
my gosh.
As long as they have good food.
Man, where is Sarah Beth? I'm getting really hungry.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey, honey. You know how I told you my family might be coming over for Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
Well, it's a definite. They're coming.
Which one of your family members are coming over?
So, it's gonna be my oldest brother.
My favorite game, Fortnite. I love Call of Duty, League of Legends.
And then my sister, Sarah Beth. She thinks she's Caucasian.
My name is Sarah Beth, and I am the second youngest child.
This actually sounds like a good idea. Perfect chance for me to get them saved. You know, I've been in my word lately listening to T.D. Jakes, so your girl is ready to lay some hands on your family members. Take them to Jesus. We need them getting to heaven.
Yes. Okay.
Get into heaven. Hallelujah. Hi, my name is Diamond, Deaconess Diamond. You know, I'm God's favorite. And just like diamonds, they go under a lot of pressure. And just like this Thanksgiving, I was under a lot of pressure. I mean, it is so hard for a Christian to live in this world with so many sinners. Tommy was always in this cellular device. And you still play video games.
I'm almost done.
I don't even know why he has it. He's always in the camera. Oh, Tommy, what is this? And I love my family. There's just some issues with them. But let me just basically give you the rundown of how this Thanksgiving went.
Hey, Tommy.
And even my husband got on my nerves. I want a divorce. He better be glad that the Bible says that God doesn't like divorce. Now, who's bringing the food?
My sister, Sarah Beth. She's bringing all the food, so you don't need to worry.
So I don't have to cook anything.
No.
And you're sure she's bringing the food?
100%. 100%.
Right. I want a divorce.
Where is Sarah Beth? I'm getting hungry.
And then Sarah Beth, I don't know what her issue is. She's completely psycho. And you still play video games?
I'm almost done. I'm almost finished.
Guys,
Where's the food?
I mean, who can't cook a simple meal? It was Thanksgiving. She had plenty of time to do it. We're over here starving because she couldn't fulfill her God-given duty.
I was supposed to get food for y'all.
What?
I mean, okay, I got a 10-piece chicken nugget meal, and we can all 2, 4, 6, 8.
Like, God gave her duties to do. It's your job to fulfill it. Let me make something clear. This is my house. We live in a world. This world is never going to get better if people like her don't answer their calling. And we need to do some serious praying. And I don't know what happened. I mean, I thought in the Bible they say that everyone has a talent. But Sarah Beth, not so sure about that. I'm so sick of you. You know what? I'm sorry. Shut up. Anyways, back to me. I am perfect. That's why my husband married me in the first place. I mean, you know.
It's not Thanksgiving.
I'm not gonna cut it. Now who's that?
Oh, what's up, Benny? How you doing Thanksgiving?
Good, how are you?
We're not good, bro. My sister, it's all messed up. We're not having a good time. But how you?
Well, I don't really have anybody to eat with, and I got all this food at the house. So would y'all like to come have
Yes,
Thanksgiving?
yes.
I think that'd be a good idea. I like to
Is
come.
it better than McDonald's?
Everybody, let's go.
Most definitely.
Let's go. We going to Benny's place.
Shut up. Our Ratchet Thanksgiving.
Sis dipped. She was nowhere to be found. All right? Then let me just get this off my chest because I feel like I have to be the one to say it.